back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very refreshing lemonade, cucumber celery lemonade, that I know you guys are going to love and is perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this refreshing and delicious lemonade, these are the ingredients. I have a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, cucumber, celery, lemons, water, and ice. This is everything you need. Cucumber celery lemonade. So let's get started. I want to start first preparing my simple syrup. I am using 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and I'm going to take it to the stove until it starts boiling and the sugar has dissolved completely. Once the sugar is dissolved, we're going to turn off the stove, let it rest so that it comes to room temperature. While it's coming to room temperature, I'm going to continue with my lemons. I am going to get all this amazing juice from these large lemons with this little gadget. Of course that I'm not going to leave anything behind. Look at this. Look how easy it is. And once you get all your juice of the lemons, put it aside. And I'm going to continue with my cucumber and my celery. I am going to rinse it really good through running water. This part is very important. Always rinse your veggies and your fruits before you make your amazing recipe. And here I want to start first with the cucumber. I'm going to remove the edges. I'm going to remove all the skin of the cucumber, and of course I'm not going to throw the skin away. I'm going to add it to my garden, to the dirt, so that my dirt is more fertile. And here I'm just going to slice the cucumber. I'm going to go ahead, add it into my NutriBullet blender, and then I'm just going to add some water. I am going to blend it really good, and that really doesn't take too long. Look at this. This lemonade is going to come out delicious and refreshing. I'm sure you're going to love it. After a couple minutes, then this is ready. I am going to go ahead and transfer it to my glass cup, and I'm going to continue with the celery. Let me put this aside. I have the celery here. I'm going to go ahead and start cutting it, and this is the part I'm not going to use. These edges, I'm just going to put it back on a plate. I'm going to go ahead and leave a little bit of decoration for my pitcher and my glass, but I'm going to use the rest of the celery. I'm going to add it to the blender cup. I'm going to add some water, and I am going to blend away for a couple minutes, making sure that I add enough water to get this nice and blended. Look how easy this is. Okay, this is done. I am going to go ahead and put it into the rest of the ingredients. But before I do that, I'm going to put it through a sifter. I don't want none of the fiber in this amazing and refreshing lemonade. Look at this. Make sure that you get all the juice and you leave the fiber behind of the celery. Okay, this is done. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to reserve this. And now I am ready to add the rest of the ingredients. Of course, I can't forget the pinch of salt. This is going to bring up all those amazing flavors. The lemon juice, a splash of the simple syrup. Remember, you could add honey, you could add agave, you could add Splenda, Equal. You decide with what you want to
add your sweetness to your lemonade. I just added a splash of the simple syrup. I didn't add the whole cup of the simple syrup. And now let me show you from close up how this juice looks. This lemonade, the color is a really light green. I am sure that once you make this, you are going to love it. If you loved and liked this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. And now I am ready to add it to my pitcher. But before I do that, I want to add some slices of lemon into my pitcher, and of course lots and lots of ice. It's nice and hot here in California, and I'm really going to enjoy this lemonade. I added some cucumber, some slices of lemon, lots of ice, and now I'm ready to pour in the lemonade. Look at this. Look how gorgeous this looks. I am sure that once you make it, you are really going to love this refreshing lemonade. The combination of the cucumber and celery is just amazing. It's an amazing flavor, nice and refreshing, and of course, with a lot of properties. I can't wait to enjoy it. I am ready for the presentation and ready to prepare my glass. I'll see you in just a little bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing lemonade. Cucumber Celery Lemonade. Perfect for this hot weather. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. The combination of the cucumber and celery, it's very refreshing. You need to make it. You need to enjoy it with your family like I enjoy it here with my beautiful family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. And every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. They call me the queen of the lemonades. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.